Hello, I'm Don Norris from Interior Honda. Today we'll take a look at the Honda Accord. For 1988, the Honda Accord continues with three distinctive models: the sporty hatchback S, the roomy LX sedan, and the elegant EXI. Since the Accord model shares many of the same features, I'll be using this LX sedan as an overview of the entire line. And then we'll speak of some of the distinctive features of the other two models. The Honda Accord for 1988 has a stronger body chassis, center pillar, suspension, and floor plan. A new lower aerodynamic body design. Cruise control is now standard equipment on the 5-speed as well as the automatic. Passenger grab rails, height adjustable seatbelt anchors, to mention a few. All Accords are powered by a 2-liter single overhead cam 12-valve engine, which is light, powerful, yet fuel efficient. A 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic with lock-up torque converter. The low hood line is a result of the new race-proven double wishbone suspension. It allows all 4 tires to remain flat on the road, even under hard cornering. Speed-sensitive power assist steering. The amount of assist is varied electronically according to the speed of the car. More assist at lower speeds for easier parking and maneuverability. Less assist at higher speeds for better control and road feel. Ventilated front discs with dual diagonal linking system for safety. Other features of the 1988 Accord are wrap-over doors with concealed rain gutters, near flush side windows for reduced wind noise. Also, rear doors are equipped with child-proof door locks. Rear features high trunk design for added room and aerodynamics. Bumper height trunk opening for easier loading. Fully lined and carpeted trunk. Other exterior features include remote side mirror, tinted glass all around, body side moldings. For added protection, all body panels are zinc coated, and an oil-based wax protector is applied from front to rear fender areas. The interior of the 1988 Accord comes equipped with adjustable steering column, cruise control, the ventilation system with adjustable individual vents, side window defrosters, and rear heater ducts. Large glass area for better visibility of the road. 3-point seat belts, both front and rear. Reclining front seats with adjustable headrests. A quartz digital clock. AM/FM cassette with 4 speakers. Remote trunk and fuel release. Passenger assist handles. Child seat anchors built in for safety. Electric rear window defroster. The Honda Accord is also available in a sporty 2-door hatchback, which features rear wiper washer, covered cargo area, folding split rear seat, front and rear stabilizer bars for better road holding. For 1988, the EXI has an all-new 120 horsepower fuel-injected engine. Comes equipped with power windows, door locks, power antenna, power sunroof, plush moquette upholstering. The Honda Accord is covered by a comprehensive 5-year, 80,000 kilometer warranty. Easily transferable with no deductible. This completes our feature of the 1988 Honda Accord lineup.
Canadian Liquid Air Limited, a proud sponsor, has been based in Cranbrook for 34 years. Manager Fleming Thompson has a staff of 9 full-time employees and services the entire East and West Kootenays. Canadian Liquid Air Limited specializes in industrial and medical gases, building supplies, and uses Miller welding machines. Our thanks once again to Canadian Liquid Air Limited. We would like to thank Selkirk Signs and Services Limited for sponsoring this cable TV production. Selkirk Signs and Services Limited started as a small family business in 1984. They now employ 9 full-time staff as well as part-time summer staff. The company exclusively manufactures plastic-faced, internally illuminated signage, as well as many other types of sign products. Selkirk Signs provides service to all of Western Canada, the Yukon, and Northwest Territories. Thank you, Selkirk Signs, for your support. All-Star Video, a proud sponsor for Cable Television Month, has been based in Cranbrook for 5 years. Manager Gary Hollick and his 5 full-time employees are ready to serve you with over 2,000 movie rentals, VHS camcorders, and a full line of audio and video products. All-Star Video and Cranbrook Cable TV invite you to celebrate the choice. This production brought to you in part by Tax Home Furnitures, the Price Challengers. With stores in Creston, Golden, Cranbrook and Fernie, Tax employs 35 people throughout its many locations and has been a viable member in the East and West Kootenay business community for 35 years. Tax takes great pride in serving your furniture, appliance and home entertainment needs. Quick Print Limited, a proud sponsor for Cable Television Month, have been based in Cranbrook for 10 years and have a staff of 8. Owners-operators Don and Shirley Johnson are pleased to look after all your printing needs. From commercial and personal printing, binary, certificates, direct mail service, and wedding invitations. Kootenay Quick Print is pleased to be part of Cranbrook's business community. Help us celebrate the choice. This production has been brought to you in part by the Cranbrook Home Bakery. Owners Charles and Maria Vogels bring with them 15 years bakery experience. Now in Cranbrook for 3 years, they employ 4 full-time and 1 part-time staff. Cranbrook Home Bakery specializes in quality home-baked products, breads, pastries, buns, wedding and birthday cakes. Cranbrook Home Bakery is proud to be a sponsor of Cable Television Month. Celebrate the choice. Our thanks to Caldwell Agencies for their generous support in helping make this production possible. Caldwell Agencies Limited have been in business in our community since 1964. With offices in Cranbrook and Kimberley, they provide services to all of the East Kootenays. Caldwells provide a wide range of real estate services, from commercial, residential, and farms. Other services include certified appraisals and notary public. You could win this RCA VCR. All you have to do is place a classified ad on Channel 7 and your name will be entered to win. Grand prize draw is 5 p.m. June 30th, 1988 at our cable TV studio. For more information, call Shopping Channel 7 426-8900. Cable Classifieds, they work.